The queen of pizzas, the Margherita Pizza cooked in the Gozney dome using wood. What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel. It's the Pizza Guy John, and in today's video we're going to be making a Margherita Pizza in the Gozney dome using wood. Right here in front of me, we're going to go ahead now and get this dough stretched out. This is a 48-hour dough. I'll go ahead and link that above if you want to know how to make that dough. We're going to go ahead and get it straight into some semolina. Like this video, comment down below. Is Margherita Pizza your go-to pizza when you go to a new restaurant or when you're making a pizza? Super simple to make. We're going to go ahead and get this stretched out. We're doing about a 12-inch pizza, so we won't really have to stretch it out too much. We're making sure we're getting all of the edges and building out that crust, keeping that pizza nice and round. And again, a margherita pizza is pretty simple. Again, all it is your tomato sauce. You get some basil, your extra virgin olive oil, mozzarella cheese, and that is all you need. You can go ahead and also do some Parmesan cheese as well, or some Pecorino Romano cheese. We're going down with some Bianco di Napoli tomatoes. Straight with some fresh basil straight from the garden. And comment down below, do you put basil before it goes in the oven, right on top of the cheese and then into the oven, or right at the end of the cook? Comment down below and let me know uh, how you do it. I'll also link that video as well that I have where I did a test to see again how to put the basil on a pizza. Again, there's no wrong or right way to do it. It's just however you choose to. We're going to go ahead now and get this onto our pizza peel. And just giving it a check, make sure it's not rich. It's ready to go in the oven. Again, this is the Gozney Dome, as you can see on the far right-hand side. We're using wood. I'll go ahead and link down the wood company that I've been using. Been really loving using wood. It just gives the pizza a whole new texture. Not so much of a flavor, but again, you're definitely getting some more texture to it versus using straight propane. Not burning it as fast, so you definitely can control the heat. And also, it's just fun to make, fun to do. So again, if you haven't messed around with wood, I highly recommend it. Giving it a try. I was a little intimidated at first, but once I've just got used to doing it, it's just been coming pretty natural. And that's honestly now all I want to cook with is wood in my Gozney dome. So again, we're gonna go ahead and just go ahead and get this pizza cooked. Again, as you can see, I got one side already cooking nicely. That's closer to the flame. So we're gonna go ahead now and get this spun around. And for whatever reason, I had some of the crust coming out from the bottom, which is okay. You could just always cut that off once it's fully finished. But again, we're going to go ahead and take our time. We're not going to rush this cook. There is a high flame. Little windy on this day as well. So that is again why I'm also doing a voiceover. But again, the wind was kind of blowing that flame around. But again, we're just making sure that we're cooking all of it all the way around, making sure that that bottom is cooking nice. Again, it's around 800 and some degrees Fahrenheit, around 400 Celsius. So again, that's the perfect temperature you want to be cooking at. Anything higher, chances of just burning your pizza is pretty high. So anywhere around that temperature range is perfect for cooking a pizza, especially in the Gozney Dome. So you can see that flame coming out. And we're pretty close to finishing here. I'm just going to go ahead and take a look and see what else we have. We just got a little area here. Putting it back in there, getting it directly on that flame. And lift up a little bit, and just like that, the pizza is cooked. So let's get inside. All right, so this is the pizza. Again, it was cooked in the Gozney dome. As you can see, it is nice, full color, crispy all the way around. Take a look at the bottom. Bottom is nicely cooked as well. So we're gonna go and let this cool down, and then we'll get a cut into this. Again, I wish you could hear that crunch. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get a cut into this. Again, it is cutting nicely. It's crispy all the way through. The bottom's crispy. The crust is nice and crispy. Nice browning to that crust as well. So if you made it this far, like my video, comment down, subscribe to my channel, turn on that bell notification to be notified when I do make new pizzas or new videos. But let's go ahead and let's get a bite into this. Such a good pizza. Again, this is the Margherita Pizza cooked in the Gozney Dome using wood. Something you guys like, comment down below, turn on that bell notification, comment, like, subscribe, tell your friends, check out my Instagram at the Pizza Guy John, and we'll talk soon.